Babalik.
Basket.
4 minutes and 24 seconds. 18 on the shot clock. Quick cross. Use. Stop and
Pangalawang bomba.
Sunny the play. 34 seconds, 50 on the shot clock. Waiting space. Bounce on Manson. Kick out. Just back another 10 on the shot clock. Bomb.
Last perfect.
Face that at shot clock. We got an EJ. 1 seconds. No shot clock. Kevin Manson.
Kakabayani sa iyong
Okay, second quarter. Stop out Isidro. Jackson Carlos. O nalito sa napipigasi kapangpanan na Energizer Jack for the long break. Napakinggan ni Carlos dito. Evan! Raymond Pinor! Pero Simego Santos! To the monkey boy, walk a nice pace, walk a nice pass, from Jack, pagdating ng CJ Alina by the way, jumper down with rebound on Raymond. Pinot, taking the ball. Stop, pass, let's swing to the monkey boy, play, drive, drive. Raymond Gonzalez, go! Using pick, stop on play. Short, and then the guys take it up. Into play, taking the ball, using play. Running in station game out of the ball. No, rebound, Jaga. There's the ball in, sweet pass. Shot clock 8 seconds. Using Raymond Santos, 5 to shoot. Oh, Jaga! Big pass, got it. Big another pass.
Walas na depensa.
Gather the play, swing, penalty boy, pass to Jaga. Pero sakto dito ay Santos na shot clock for downtown. And offensive rebound, Joseph Francisco.
The scavenger.
Kapalit ni Mr. Ramones Mouse.
Laro na ba?
Mangyari, pass. basket. Rebound ng Lancer. May cross si Mr. Lancer. Ito yung tatlo. Lancer ka! 1 minute exactly.
Lancer, the Financer.
41 to deadlock. Officially scored. 48 seconds, 10 on the shot clock. And now, rebounded Santos. 14 seconds. Ranier, Gomez. 50 to shoot. 35 seconds. 10 on the shot clock. Santos. Prepare now. 20 seconds, no shot clock. 41. Lumalatika, 15 seconds. Steal. 10 seconds. The ball is running out. 5 seconds waiting for the buzzer. Warner, pass to Malik. Malik deal. Uy, mas beautiful pass.
Backcourt.
Steal. Santos round. Makinis niya kanina. EJ Sara si Kaya. Apat pa rin sa tatlo. Para sa Tigas Gabampanan. Gomez. Using big. Ngayon ang rito. Ito na siya para sa dito kay Lancer. Quick cross. Another step back. Straight pass from Santos. Shot clock 10 seconds stop. And Mr. Santos. Connect ko lang dito. Take out Montgomery. Pass to Ranier. Swing to Santos. Shot clock 10 seconds. Santos tripping up Pina. Shot clock 5 seconds. Race rock using the grounds. Back-to-back points. Back-to-back field goals. Para dito kay Abot pa rin na.
Pagaling, may pagaling.
Tigas Gabampanan. Go! Rebound and Mujana. That is Ranier.
King Miningan.
Gomez. Whipping the ball. Quick cross. Gomez pass. Mujana! Bounce. Tigas Gabampanan. Tingnan nila. Pass to Gomez. Sweet pass on Lancer. 5 to shoot. Lancer jump shot. Ay Lancer kan. Apat salib. Makaman ng Tigas Gabampanan 52-46. 6 minutes and 8 seconds. Keep the lead. Sherman Lancer shot shot. No. Rebound. Boy. Rebound ni Mujana. Pass to Santos. Sweet to Mujana. Mujana Gomez 40 to shoot. Shot clock 10 seconds. Slide kick down Lancer. Short. Rebound. EJ. And that's the outside pasa. Nagdang power play to Kilaran. Mr. EJ. Babang sa abang ng kalarangan. Ng Tigas Gabampanan 52-48. Lancer kan. Using base. Stop and bomb. Lancer in it out. Rebound and kick out. Lagyan another pass. Lancer. Short. Rebound. On Malik. Deal. Pass to Martelli. And okay ang labanan. Basket and one from Burt. Lancer kan.
That was a good 4-hour cleaner.
Pass to Raymond, 14 on the shot clock. Fires. Short again. Rebound today. After that, Lancer. Big after that. Water on the pass. 8 on the shot clock. 5 to shoot. Another ball. Side pass from Eman, no good. Rebounded. Kanina Mamba Binuya. 3 minutes exactly. Pass to Lancet. Lancet now. Quick crossover. He locked down. Pagod yung content ni Lancet. Hanggang sumunod. Kitas Kapampangan. Eman Cano. Using pain. Deflected is still. Talagang napakagandang depensa ng ating magkabilang kumunada. Forget to shoot. Park. T-Public Fires. No. Rebounded. Nakawa na bola. Teka nila ang maintenance ng Rizal. Okay. 2 minutes and then.
Yan!
Raymond stop.
Give it 2 points.
No. Inside. Super kill. Raymond Binuya. Give it the ball.
Bakit ka sa ganda?
25 seconds. JC Lab.
Ay!
Yan din, right? Unang binan. Pasok. Napakalawa. Basket na rin. 45 seconds. Using pace on Raymond. Sweep Domingo. Santos. Speed. Pagkali ka ng dyan. Quick pass on the Raymond. Shot long man. Simmons. Gana namin. Gana naman. Wala si Zen. 61-57. 25 seconds. Shot clock with 15 seconds. Speed, bomb. Back it up. Fingers for Rizal. Now foul. 13 seconds to the shot clock. Danilo Bongo. 10 seconds. Raymond. 5 seconds. Wait for the buzzer.
3, 2, 1. Ten!
Baka makawag-away na sa live stream natin. Okay, ito na ang final quarter. Dami pong mamba. Long pass at three. Go! Rebound and Eman. Ito na ang final quarter. Eman Cano. Penny the ball. Juicy Pink. Eman. What a nice pass. Ating pumamari na rin na magkakalan niya sa punta kasama niya ang dito. Pass to Binuya. Kontra dito kay Mark. Binuya. Gather the pick. Hanap na pagkasahan. Shot clock 15. For the Tigas. Shot clock 10 seconds. What a nice pass. Because Santos. Water. Hanap sa lima. For the Redshirts. 68. 63. Ikabing Manuel. Inaksyang pala. Offensive rebound. Reverse now. Rebounded. Kelman. Ito na si Bagay. Tumatakbo sa kabila. Bagay is behind the
69-73. Lamang na ng tatlo. 250. Deadlock!
on the shot clock for the white team. Tignan natin kung ano play ang gagawin dito. Ang WBCB at 10 on the shot clock. Tito Pig drives it now. 40 seconds. 5 on the time. 20 on the shot clock. Steal trap. Tito Pig. Now. Rebound. Napakalaban. Tito Pig. Let's go. Tito Pig. Addition.
28.8 seconds lamang ang isang WB sa Tigas.
Pagkakaalam
na dito mga bossing.
Position na ito. Kanina ba patay ko ng bola? Final guessing. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Steal!
Ay, lapang! Ay! Late ball!
Tatawagan na.
Rep, nakaharap ka! Nakaharap ka lang! Yan ang kakagulo eh!
Number 9.
13.1 seconds in boundary.
Kung anong play dito ng Tigas na mapangan nito aking sa gitna.
Takpan ako ngayon. Lamang ng isa, 7.7 seconds ang natitira.
7 seconds lamang ang isa, Tigas! Magandang bakbakan! Magandang bakbakan!
7.7 seconds. Natakpan na. Sa baba daw, sa baba. 5.8 seconds. 5.8. 5.8 seconds. 84, 85. Lamang ng sa Tigas. 5.8.